To rotate text in Excel, start by selecting the cell containing the text you want to rotate. Click on the cell to highlight it. Then go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Alignment group, click on the Orientation button. This will open a drop-down menu with various text orientation options. From the drop-down menu, select the angle of rotation you want to apply to your text. You can choose from a range of options, including rotate text up, rotate text down, and other custom angles. If you want to rotate your text to a specific angle that is not listed, click on Format Cell Alignment. In the Format Cells dialog box, click on the Alignment tab. In the Orientation section, use the Degrees box to enter the exact angle of rotation you want. You can enter a value between 0 and 359 degrees. Positive values rotate the text counterclockwise, while negative values rotate it clockwise. After entering the angle of rotation, click OK to apply the changes. Your text will now be rotated to the specified angle. You can adjust the rotation angle as needed by repeating the process. It is essential to note that rotating text can affect the overall layout and readability of your spreadsheet. Make sure to adjust the row height and column width as necessary to ensure that your rotated text is fully visible and easy to read. Best practices for rotating text in Excel include using this feature judiciously, as it can make your spreadsheet more difficult to read if overused. It is also a good idea to use a consistent rotation angle throughout your spreadsheet to maintain a professional and organized appearance. By following these steps, you can easily rotate text in Excel to enhance the visual appeal and effectiveness of your spreadsheets. This feature can be particularly useful for creating eye-catching headers, titles, and labels, and for making the most of limited space in your spreadsheet.